All right, welcome back to another episode of Bodycam Reactions. This one is about a Hooters waitress, and she was found passed out in a car, and so police found her, and so obviously they're gonna pursue driving under the influence on her. So yeah, as you watch at the beginning of this episode, you'll notice she very freely and really without even thinking about it is just giving police facts and evidence to arrest her and ultimately convict her. And she obviously could just not do that and exercise her right to remain silent.
I'm only 21 years.
What'd you have to drink?
I had a little cocktail drink, just the tiny one.
How many of them did you have?
Huh?
How many drinks did you have?
Just two, and I had my third one. I finished my third one, but technically I was on my fourth one. But I had three of them so far. I had all three of them, the cocktail mixed drinks.
What kind of drink was it?
The Adios sucker.
You had two of those?
Three of those.
Three of those?
My fourth one. I was technically just finished my third one.
Okay.
I had my third one gone. But I had my third one on the little things for me and my friend, and then I had my fourth one I was gonna ask.
So you had four so far, and then how many did you have after that?
I had three, but I was gonna get a fourth one.
You didn't finish it?
No, ma'am, I didn't even finish it. I didn't even start it.
And did you drink anything in the vehicle when you got in the vehicle before you left?
I
No?
just had that one drink, which was it fully there, which is gone basically, so like kind of like warm, but cold.
Besides the drinking, did you do anything else? Any drugs? No?
No, that's just that one drink, that one solid drink.
Okay. Because you were passed out in the car. Why did you fall asleep?
Because I had passed out earlier today. I was didn't wake. Well, I didn't go to sleep this morning. I stayed partying. Behind
Stayed partying?
So notice right here, she's acknowledging that she passed out in the car. So she legally doesn't really understand what's going on here, but the police have to justify that they have they're legally able to stop and question her and talk to her. So they need probable cause that some kind of criminal activity is afoot. So otherwise the search is illegal and the evidence wouldn't get into court. And so she probably wouldn't be convicted. So that's what's going on here right now, is they're establishing that they had the legal right to question her and talk to her. Without that, this would be a violation of the Fourth Amendment, unreasonable searches and seizures. So that's what's going on here. And that's kind of the reason I wanted to do this channel, is because people don't understand the legal consequences of their actions. So, yeah, back to the video.
Since what time? Do you know what time it is right now?
No, last time I remember it was 10 at night, but I was over here at Hooters. Not here at Hooters. I was over here driving.
Do you know where you're at right now?
Whataburger.
Okay.
I had I remember I had passed out going up to the line. She had took her order. It was like 9:19. Or crispy chicken sandwich, mayonnaise.
So they took your order?
Yeah, I just passed out. This always happens. I just passed out.
You always pass out. Why?
Even if I'm not sober or if I'm sober as well. I just always come and I order and pass out. I can't always keep my eyes open most of the time when I'm sober, but I'm sober. I don't know. Always, I pass out anywhere and everywhere. So,
by sober, what do you mean? As in just drinking alcohol, or?
Yes, like, drinking alcohol because me and my mom and my stepdad, we just got back from Red Wall this weekend. So, this weekend from Red Wall, I rode with them. My stepdad rode my car, or like drove my car because we were behind on Saturday. When I get drunk, I know how I get, so like my mom wanted to leave my car this weekend.
You know how you get, as in?
Like when I drive, she didn't want me to like run into someone else or like just.
Has it happened before?
No.
No.
Just when I'm drinking, she just doesn't want that to happen because I had someone hit me when I just bought my car. I just got my car in April. I just barely got that. That was my first car I ever got. I got that on April 9th. I bought my car on April 9th. I didn't get my car fully till the week after.
So you did have about 3 drinks and a half tonight?
Yes, but I didn't.
Okay.
Like.
So it's because you did pass out right here in the
Yes.
driver's seat. I'm going to ask you if you're willing to submit to some field sobriety tests because I need to know if you're able to drive for you to go home.
Yeah.
You're willing to submit to them?
Well, I'll submit to a sobriety test.
I can't believe how she's willy-nilly talking about, like, yeah, I'll do whatever you say. Yeah, I'm wasted. Blah, blah, blah. It's like she has no awareness of what's going on. I don't know if she's just completely wasted or really naive, but this is not good for her.
So I'm going to have you go ahead and stand over here. That way we're not... Over here, ma'am?
Yeah, I didn't get those, but I want to stand in my Hooters bottom floor. I don't have anything else. But I have my Hooters bottle.
That Dos Equis, did you drink it?
No.
It's been there for a while?
Yes. After I was leaving the party, it was on the sidewalk, and I didn't want the sidewalk to have it. The party was over there, also behind what's it called? Hooters. It wasn't after the stoplight. It was right there in this Hooters stop. And the Hooters, like, distance between Hooters, or like between the light and the Hooters stoplight, or I don't know how to describe it. And it snowed behind Hooters and red circle. No, deer circle. I don't know.
Go ahead and just put your shoes on for me so we can walk over there. And just walk straight over there. I'm going to have you go ahead and stand right here on this line. So you're willing to submit to the test, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm going to have you go ahead and I'm going to have you follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only, okay?
Okay. Well, because I'm not used to having, except this is my first car I've ever gotten. I've never had a car ever before this. So, like, the stuff I have now is, like, new to me. So, like, me having my own car by myself, me having my own place by myself with my roommate is still new to me. So, like, I don't know. Just seeing it from far away, I'm still not used to it. I don't know. It's still weird. But I'm still happy for it because I still got it myself. I bought a 2018 Hyundai Elantra Sport Edition on my own, and it's my first car ever. And I got kicked out of high school. I didn't finish my first semester my senior year. So, and for me getting that from just freaking...
Alright, so we're going to do the next test, okay?
Right.
You're standing in that straight line. You can see it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to have you go ahead and put your left foot on that line. You're going to put your right foot in front of it, touching heel to toe. With your eyes to your side, you're going to leave them on your side the whole time. Do you understand?
Oh my god, I'm so
You're going to leave them, okay, you're going to leave them there. What you're going to be doing is you're going to be taking 9 heel-to-toe steps down that straight line. When you reach your 9th step, you're going to leave your lead foot planted. You're going to take a series of small steps back, and you're going to take another 9 heel-to-toe steps down that line.
Okay.
Whole time you're going to be looking at your feet. Go ahead and leave your hands to your side. You're going to stay in that position until I tell you otherwise, okay?
Okay.
Whole time. Go ahead and stay in that position, how you were. Don't move from there. With your arms to your side. Okay, you may begin.
I misunderstood the first time.
She's struggling even to like take like a couple steps forward. You know what I mean? So this is obviously very strong evidence that she's under the influence and should not be driving.
Okay. Okay. So for this next test, I'm going to have you stand like this with your arms to your side the whole time. You're going to remain in that position unless I tell you otherwise, okay? You're going to choose a foot of your choice. I'm going to be doing my right foot. Go ahead and just stand there straight. Don't move. You're going to choose a foot of your choice. I'm going to be doing my right foot. You can do your left or your right, whichever you feel more comfortable. Leave your hands to your side, please. Like this.
I'm just putting my foot down here right now.
Just leave them to your side the whole time, okay? I'm going to do my right foot. You can do whichever, left or right. You're going to raise it about 6 inches above the ground, parallel to the ground. Whole time it's going to be parallel. You're going to keep your hands to your side. The whole time you're going to be counting 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004 until I tell you to stop, okay? Okay, you may begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1006, 1007, 1010, 1011, 1017, 1018.
Lift it up, 6 inches above the ground, parallel. Stop.
Good decision.
I'm going to go ahead and arrest her.
I'm not sure.
I filled out my HGN. All right, ma'am, go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
Reserve your ID, and do you have a phone in there that needs to go with you?
I have this in there.
Okay. Like you have your ID, your phone. You can't take a purse. Do you have a wallet?
I'm going to put this in there. Well, it's the same place as.
And have you go ahead and walk over here towards me.
Can I put my hair behind my ear really quick? Or do you
Wait,
mind
what?
Can you put my hair behind my ear really quick?
This one?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. I just never been arrested for this.
I'm going to go ahead and just search you. Go ahead and step out really quick before. I know you have your shorts on, but I'm just going to make sure you go ahead and turn that way. I'm going to lift your... Okay, you go ahead and go back in there. Yes, sir. Thank you. All right, listen to me. I'm about to tell you something important. You're under arrest for DWI. The New Mexico Implied Consent Act requires you to submit to a breath test to determine the alcohol content of your blood. After you take our test, you have the right to choose an additional independent test. If you choose to take the additional independent test, you have the right to a reasonable opportunity to arrange for a physician, a licensed nurse, or laboratory technician or technologist who is employed by a hospital or physician of your own choice to perform an additional chemical test. The cost of this additional test will be paid by the law enforcement agency. Do you agree to take our test? I need you to tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Okay.
No.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Step out. Sure. Just wait right there. Go ahead and walk that way straight. Go ahead and walk in. There you go. Now you go ahead and stand up with him.
No.
What are you doing?
Bring them back behind her because
It's interesting that she has the reaction of crying after getting arrested. You know, most of these people are angry, right? Angry or just mellow out because they're just so drunk that they just kind of like don't have a reaction. But I don't usually see them crying. That's interesting.
Just go ahead and stand right here, face the wall. How do I return the receipt? And then go ahead and put your feet down so you can get the bill.
turn and face the wall a little.
And I have to move on. Go over there that way. Is it because they're in your front?
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, put them behind your back now. While you have them.